Hi guys, so today I'm going to talk about how to do a Slappy front Smith grind. That's when your back truck is grinding on the curb, but your front truck stays on the ground. Alright, so I think there's a few prerequisites in order to learn the trick. This one you definitely need looser trucks, or your trucks are set up to the way where you can really carve them. So the reason for that is your front truck is going to be compressed all the way down, and that's needed to get your back truck onto the curb. Another thing is that you definitely need a wheel that slides well. Everyone has their personal preferences, so it doesn't really matter which. But I'd say, for me personally, the best wheels that do slide would be the Spitfire Formula 4s and the Bones STF wheels. Last one, I would say that you would definitely need to know how to do Slappy front 50 grind, because that is the basic Slappy grind. That's where you learn how to get onto the curb, go fast, go hard. Yeah, so you need to have those down. Alright, so foot positioning, I ride regular, so you might need to adjust if you ride goofy. Not sure if it's any different, but I don't think so. Alright, so for your front foot, my front foot is in the pocket, with the toe side being the most in the pocket, and my heel hanging off the board just like this. And for my back foot, it's on the tail just like that, rather than inside the pocket, which you would do for regular frontside 50. Right? And for the reason being for this foot position is that when you're about to grind on the curb, what you do is put all your weight down and to the left. So it'll lift the board up just like this, and your truck, there's a lot of cars today, and your truck will be bent like that with it being compressed onto your heel side. Right? And when that's happening, you just slide your back foot using your shoulders as you would regular Slappy. Just get it onto the curb. And I'll show you some examples of what I'm talking about. Alright, so this is how the board's going to look like when you're pushing that curb. So you come at it at a 45-degree angle, right? Then you're going to put all your weight down here to the back end to your left. So the board does this. Right? And like that, your back truck gets on. You just hold into that, and then come off. A couple things that you might run into when you're trying to learn the Slappy Smith is when you start trying to slide that board onto the curb, you might just end up grinding both of your axle nuts onto the curb. That's perfectly normal. It's just part of the process of learning how to get that grind onto the curb. But then eventually you're going to end up stop doing that. It still happens sometimes. I know how to do this for Slappy front Smith, but I still grind my axle nuts on the curb sometimes. It's usually common when your trucks are tighter, so that's why I would say you need looser trucks. Another thing is that you might actually end up getting your board into the correct position, but then getting off the curb immediately. You know, that's just progress. There's a lot of really terrible cars today. It just means that you have the position right. Now you just need to go harder and faster so you can get an actual grind. Last thing, sometimes sometimes both your trucks will get onto the curb before you get the Smith grind, where your front truck is on the ground and your back truck is on the curb. That counts? For me personally, I say no. Just because it's my standards. If I do it sometimes, and if that happens, I just redo it until I get it right. You know, but if that happens to you, again, it's just all part of the process. You know, if you think it counts, then it counts for you. just skating for yourself, not for anyone else. Just have fun with it. Yeah, so that's how you do a Slappy front 50. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.